Fall is such a pretty time of the year. I love all the vibrant colors, the hues of red and orange and gold, and the crisp, invigorating breeze that fills the air. Comfy, cozy sweaters, the warmth of the fireplace, and bountiful harvests. I am captivated by all the beauty that surrounds us. But amongst this picturesque scene, there's an essential aspect of fall that often goes unnoticed. And what is that, you ask? It's the importance of home maintenance during this season. As we immerse ourselves in the splendor of fall, it's important to remember that this season offers a unique window of opportunity for home maintenance. Today, I'll share with you the top 10 essential tips to help you prep your home for fall and the colder season ahead. And stay tuned, because at the end of this video, I will let you know how to get access to your free copy of the complete Fall Homeowner Checklist. Let's get started. Just as nature prepares for the winter ahead by shedding its leaves and going through its own transformative process, homeowners can take proactive steps to protect their most significant investment, their homes. So let's transition from the breathtaking beauty of fall to the practical task of home maintenance that should be on every homeowner's radar at this time of the year. Remember, a well-maintained home not only enhances its curb appeal, but also ensures its longevity and its value. Fall is the perfect time to embark on this journey of maintenance. With temperatures dropping and winter on the horizon, prepping your home now can save you from costly repairs down the road, and it will also help ensure a cozy fall home environment for the entire family. Here are the top 10 tips for your successful home maintenance checklist. Number 1, clean up the yard for winter. Number 2, tidy and store away those flower pots and seasonal goodies. Number 3, declutter and organize the coat closet and the mudroom. Clear out those summer coats and shoes from the closets and make room for your fall favorites. Number 4, get ready for the season celebrations. Bring out your seasonal decor and decorate both inside and out. Have a little fun. Number 5, swap out those bed linens for cozy new season. Think color changes and heavier weighted sheets such as flannel. Number 6, windows. It's time to wash those windows inside and out and ensure that the caulking around your windows are in good condition. If your windows let in the draft, you may also consider putting up some plastic covers around your window openings to keep the cold air out and the warm air in. And if your windows have screens, you may also consider removing, cleaning, and storing them for the winter season. Number 7, tackle the family room clutter and get it ship shape. Change summer color accessories for fall accessories. Change pillows and blankets for heavier weighted pieces and enjoy your new inspired room. Number 8, give your carpet some love with a good shampoo. Number 9, don't forget to clean those light fixtures for a bright and shiny home. And number 10, before the temperatures drop, have your heating system serviced. Clean or replace filters and ensure it's running efficiently for a cozy and cost-effective winter. And there you have it. These simple tasks provide your home with a seasonal upkeep and will make your home shine and feel comfy and cozy.